which is, how is it called?
The first thing we made is sofrito.
Sofrito. Sofrito is
We browned the vegetables.
Yes, brown the vegetables, put some wine, and some garlic, some carrots.
And some onion.
And some onion.
Yep, and some celery.
And some celery.
And then we let it cook down.
And then we put 2 pinches of salt.
We put 2 pinches. And now we're going to put in oregano.
Oregano.
Oh no, I'm sorry. This is basil.
Yeah, basil. That's what we need.
Basil. Next is
oregano.
Oregano.
This is for Nana's favorite sofrito.
We're making a ragu sauce.
Ragu sauce. And that's it.
And we'll let you know later.
Let you know later.
Bye.
Bye. And this video. Like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Today I am going to meet the designer of our kitchen for the final layout. It's just me today. Sean is working and I am just walking. It's not too far. Dryers are here, but we unfortunately can't use them yet. Hi, everybody. We are going to go to the antique store that Sean and I went to yesterday. We'll see if there is anything else that I can buy. Buongiorno. Grazie. Voglio vedere se c'è qualcos'altro che voglio comprare. This is a nice candelabra. This could be silver. 20 euros. Okay, let's get that. Alright, what else?
Non mi è ancora capitato qualcosa di verticale con un
So 6 for 20 euros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know, I'm not sure. And this 5 for 10. Made in England.
No, non sono grandi lei. Adesso non li ricordo tutti perché li abbiamo solo visti e ce li devono ancora raccogliere e mandare.
I like this.
Non sono grandi.
I think they're a set. No? Oh no, they're not. They look very different. I'm not sure. Let's think about it. Okay, this display cabinet is 150. I really like that one, so we're going to get it. And how about this? 50 for everything. made in England. Set for all. I like it because it's pink and it's floral. Okay, so we'll take that one as well. Okay, so this Wedgwood set is, let's check the price, 90 euros. Coffee pot, sugar bowl, milk jug, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 cup and saucer espresso cups. I think I'm gonna get this as well. It's a very good bargain. Okay, so let's just forget the pink one. Let's get that Wedgwood instead. It's a pretty design, huh? Okay, let's get that. There are so many pretty things here. I want to buy everything.
Quando è così che i clienti quando tirano subito 2 poltrone, una scatola, abbiamo veramente caricato il mondo. E così i corrieri fanno della roba qua e fanno una macchina in manina.
That's very nice. Is this a plant stand or something? I think it's a plant stand.
Solo la donna perché non ce la faccio a tenere anche l'uomo.
This is a nice candle holder. Wine glass. Let's see how much it is.
Quello lì è un servizio.
Sì. Quanti pezzi?
Allora, c'è scritto, aspetti che glielo dico.
Ah, ok.
Allora.
Signora, scusi, funziona questo orologio da parete?
Non lo so, noi li vendiamo come oggetti.
Come decorazione?
Decorazione, non
Ok.
so.
Alright. Dobbiamo provare? No.
Non so.
Ma che con i cani?
Più che altro non c'è sterilizzato.
Io l'altro non ce l'ho sterilizzato.
This was how long it's been here.
Sai, lo prendessi da
Nearly
3 mesi.
4 years.
In mezzo.
What do you think? I love it.
C'era la prima, Kira.
Looks cute. Let's see how much that is. It's 60 euros for a set. 60 euros for a set. Mi piacciono tutti, ma mio marito mi ucciderà. Ok. Questi
Ok.
oppure questi o di Wedgwood.
Tutti belli.
Aiutami a decidere. It's been raining for 3 days now. It's muddy and wet and cold, and we haven't done much inside the house either because it's a lot colder in than it is outside. Then our architect came back with news that our plan is possible. We're now just waiting for the renovation permit, and then we can start with all the work.